The SnoreWizard is simple and effective. It's made from a semi-soft plastic and one size fits all, so there is no heating and moulding involved. It works by gently pushing the lower jaw forward, which opens up the airways, improving the airflow and stops the palate from vibrating at the back of the throat.
NHS sleep clinics all over the country are recommending the SnoreWizard, and we recently won the Ideal World Shopping TV Health and Beauty Award. So, imagine no more sleepless nights, no more disturbing your partner, and no more being sent to the spare room. In fact, we're so confident that it works, we're giving you a money-back guarantee. Try the SnoreWizard for 30 days, and if you're unhappy with it, we'll refund your money in full.